So what we see in front of you is a Duro 15 in Phantom Gray Toffee Orange color. And again, it is a running vest slash backpacker. Let's look at it more. So again, you can see it's a backpack. Has storage items for phone, car keys, any additional items you want to carry. Got side or waist straps, and also a place to store items. Same thing on the opposite side. And finally on the front, you can see the vest piece. And again, there's a phone, place to put a phone, whistle, big pocket here for a water bottle. The same thing over here for water bottle, snacks. And then internally it comes with a hydration bladder. And I believe this is a 3 liter, but I'll have to double check that real quick. And this is the Osprey Duro 15. I'm not really sure how well this will go over, but I'm used to having vests in the past when I was in the military. And when we were doing active stuff, we used vests, or we used our equipment that was attached to a vest, and it was actually very comfortable to do that. That's why some of the more vest type style backpacks and camera bags are most comfortable to me, because it sort of just wraps around your body and allows you to carry gear more comfortable. Again, the Duro 15, I think it's going to be good, but I'll let you know more as we go along.